Today, we are looking at a cloud admin superpower, reclaiming licenses automatically based on user inactivity. No spreadsheets, no quarterly panic cleanups, no guessing who still used Jira or Confluence. We will do it with two things: the inactivity filter in the user browser and automated tasks that run on a schedule. Hey, I'm Marvin, a technical support engineer and DevOps at Resolution, which basically means I automate the boring stuff and occasionally I fight with time zones, so you don't have to.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
In the next few minutes, I will show you how to identify inactive users with the inactivity filter, save that filter and connect it to an automated task that removes app access or suspend users with logs. So you maybe know the moment. Someone asks, why are we paying for so many users? And you open Atlassian admin and realize your user list includes contractors from last year, users who left but never got cleaned up, and accounts that haven't touched Jira in months but still have access. Manual cleanup either never happens or it happens under pressure. So the goal is simple. Make inactivity cleanup a system, not a project. Inactive users hurt in three ways. First, cost. In cloud, one of the fastest way to reduce money is removing product access from people who aren't using a product. Second, security. Dormant access is still access, and inactive accounts are less likely to be noticed if something goes wrong. Third, admin time. Recurring manual reviews are attacks on your team. Here's a workflow in our cloud app. Step 1. Use the user browser to filter users by inactivity and access patterns. Step 2. Save that filter, because save filters are the foundation for automation. Step 3. Create an automated task that runs bulk action on a schedule, like remove app access or suspend users with an audit trail. That's hands-off license optimization with full control. Let's now dive into a step-by-step demo. Step 1. We will open the user browser in user management. Now we will select an inactive filter for 1 month as an example. So now we will already see a list of users, and users who never were active will also be shown here based on the last activity here. Now we will add context, because inactivity without context can be misleading. We'll use the site filter if you have more than one site, and the Atlassian apps filter. For example, we will exclude Jira. Why this matters? So last active is context aware. With no filters, we will see global activity. With site and app selected, we will see activity for that app. With site only, it's activity for that site. Now we have our candidate list. We can do a quick sanity check about roles and apps and anything that helps you to avoid surprises. Then we can select one user. You can also select all users. That select all matching is really a powerful feature. So now, yes, again, double check your filters one more time. Now it's time to save the filter. I would recommend to give it a name which you can remember later. In my case, I will just call it the demo video. We will save the filter. Now we go to automated task. Here we will create a new task. We will give it a name, select the just created filter, and now we can choose how often we want to schedule it. You can also run it manually, weekly, or define an interval. In this video, I will choose manually. The next step here would be to choose an action. We can remove the app access here. For example, just remove the app access for Confluence. We could suspend the user, or we could even add the user afterwards to a group, like a dedicated group with, or for a sanity check again, like an inactive users. Now we can click on apply and the automated task will be saved. Let's have a check on this automated task thing now. We have here a column last run and next run, where you can see the last run, and if you scheduled the task, when will the task run again. You can even click on a task here on the 3 dots and go to show results. Here you will see the task name again and the status of the task and when it was done and which action was done. Like here the user was removed from app access. Here you will also get more details about the execution log. You can also click on a view as JSON to get the JSON file. You could copy it here, but you can even click on download result to get the JSON file. So let's wrap it up. If you're manually cleaning up users or never doing it, you're paying with time and sometimes with real money. The better approach is filter by inactivity with the right site and app context. Second, save that filter and create an automated task. Automate the action on a schedule and at least monitor results with a clear audit trail. Your next step after this video. Start with an inactive period like 1 month or 6 months, depending on your organization. Run it once, review the outcome, then schedule it. And enjoy one of the rarest things in admin life, a recurring task that stays solved. Learn more about it in the documentation and try your first saved filter today.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine.